All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today's international and national news is brought to you by U. Sai Sagar of Junior and Jasper. International news. Sri Lanka receives bomb disposal equipment through Chinese military grant. North Korea resumes missile tests, raising tensions with its rivals after their military drills end. National news. PM Modi asks minister to draft roadmap for first 100 days, next for 5 years of new government during cabinet meeting. BJP aims to retain all 5 Lok Sabha seats in Uttarakhand. Thank you. Have a good day.
Everyone, today's state and sports news is brought to you by Pushkov Junior and Jasper. State news. RS Praveen Kumar to join BRS on Monday. BRS MLA seeks disqualification of Daman Nagender. CM Revant Reddy's flight to Mumbai get delayed. Sports news. Virat Kohli congratulates Smriti Mahendra as RCB lifts trophy. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Soumya Vetain Junior. Weather report. Minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 37 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Today's thought of the day is brought to you by Netra from Junior and Jasper. Thought. Don't cry over the past, it's gone. Don't stress about the future, it hasn't arrived. Live in the present moment and make it beautiful. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Vamshi of Junior and Jasper. Today's word, tedious. It is an adjective. It means boring and monotonous. Friends, please spell after me. Tedious. T-E-D-I-O-U-S. Tedious. Thanks.
Everyone, today's GK questions is brought to you by Shirath from grade 9 Jasper. GK question for grade 6. Who painted the Mona Lisa? I repeat my question. Who painted the Mona Lisa? You pick the right answer, and answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 12. What is the smallest prime number greater than 10? You pick the right answer, and answer is 11. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 8. Who invented the telephone? You pick the right answer, and answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Question for grade 9. Who discovered penicillin? Question for grade 9. Who discovered penicillin? You pick the right answer, and answer is Alexander Fleming. Thank you.
Article on polo game is brought to you by Vanilla of grade 9 Jasper. Polo game. Polo game played on horseback between two teams of 4 players, each of who uses mallets with long, flexible handles to drive a wooden ball down a grass field and between two goalposts. It is the oldest of equestrian sports. A game of Central Asian origin, polo was first played in Persia, Iran, at dates given from 6th century BC to the 1st century AD. Polo was at first a training game for cavalry units, usually the King's Guard or other elite troops, to the warlike tribesmen who played it with as many as 100 to a side. It was a miniature battle. In time, polo became a Persian national sport played extensively by the nobility. Thank you. Have a good day.
Shama
missile serious. Russia's presidential vote starts final day with accusations of Q sabotage. Thank you. This state and sports news is brought to you by Ishmita of Great Hazel. State news. Over 200 artists, 10 was alone. Airport road into catwalk. Sports news. Deepika tag selection. Trials for Hazel. Thank you. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. You don't decide your future, you decide your habits, and your habits decide your future. Thank you. Thank you. I am Great Hazel. Fact number 1. Fact number 1. Elephants are the only animals that cannot jump. Fact number 2. Cows and horses can sleep while standing. Fact number 3. Kangaroo cannot move backwards. Fact number 4. Fact number 4.
Stand here.
Starfish do not have bread. Fact number 5. Hippopotamus milk is pink color. Thank you. General knowledge with legal questions. Question for grade 1. What is currency of India? I'll repeat my question. What is currency of India? Yes, you picked the. Yes, your answer is right. Let us have. Question for grade 2. What is currency of USA? Mercy. No, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is USA dollar. Question for grade 3. What is currency of France? Yes, your answer is right. Let us update. Question for grade 4. What is currency of Russia? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Russian ruble. Question for grade 5. What is currency of China? Chinese yuan. No, you didn't set the right answer. The answer is yuan. Thank you.